ER again opens its archives. The year 1999, early 2000, Bounty Killer and Babycham riding high with Another Level. Me and my crew.
Hold it back, can't hold it back. Bounty Killer and Babycham with a brand new track.
Bashing politicians is just what DJs Bounty Killer and Babycham have taken to another level.
Bounty Killer giving you originality. Boss a shot if you respect and love the quality.
On their current single, Another Level, the outspoken DJs ride a clone of producer Dave Kelly's Bug Rhythm.
Big up my nationality. Me love the money, but me not bout for vanity. Me see them a come with animosity.
Bounty Killer Babycham has been coming out on rhythms for the past 2 years. Boom songs. So we just decide right now we're going to do it in a little combo, make it a little bit jumbo, see if it can step on people like the foot of my tumble.
This song, it's like, I can't believe my eyes. A song that it on different topics.
Tell the shot of them goal of solidarity. Tell the government free up the weed policy.
When it comes to bad-mouthing politicians, many felt Babycham crossed the line with his top 10 hit Desperate Measures and the follow-up music video.
Sometimes that's how you have to get across, you know. That's just a paper that I threw a chair through. You understand? That's not like I see PG or I see one of the as Rodney said, it's a picture. That's just how you have to bring certain things across. Sometimes if you keep it on the cool, they tend not to hear.
Me and my crew, we're on another level. We the new sound.
Bounty Killer is also a thorn in the flesh of officialdom.
Some people just tend to bash the politician to get some support from the crowd. Just because they know the people and the government have dispute of what they are not doing and what they should be doing, but we don't do things like that. Everything I've said and everything I've recorded is my experience.
Big up my friend, them up, call me enemy. Me see them a watch and them a pandemic.
I witnessed politicians bring on 1980 in Riverton and Seaview and in Kalalobed, and I don't wish to call name, but they know themselves, and if them want to come and talk to me behind the scene after I do this report or this interview, they can come and I will tell them who I'm talking about. And I sing those songs and I start talk about ghetto people, and ghetto people love it and give me a stripes and me a poor people governor. I have my fame before I start talk about all these things. But I realized that it was the most important thing to say. Talk about the struggle and the real issue of people's life. But I'm saying Jamaica is the worst country. I've visited a lot of country. Jamaica is the worst country. And why I say that is because the condition of which the government treat it.
Both DJs believe the government should mind its own business, especially education and the economy. The music industry, they say, is doing just fine without help from politicians.
How much Grammy Shabba ranking now? We are talking about dancehall. We not talk about Bob Marley and Burning Spear and Peter Tatcham work. We are talking about dancehall, youth and youth work. Shaggy have 1 dime belt, Shabba have 2 dime belt, and no political aid or support we never get. So when we reach Grammy stage, I ask her next. And we never get no support. So we all right with that. What them for do? Help the people them. Reggae music no want to help from the government. We can help ourselves. We all right.
You can't be helping someone who look like them can't help themselves and not help other people. We give charity, we give so much money to back to charity. We don't need no more help.
No, but
only help we need are from our people, them where them come out at night time and support our stage show. That's the only help we need. And by
only thing we need from the government, treat us like ambassadors of Jamaica and diplomat. We are diplomat. We are the biggest diplomat. Because I'm saying this, if me and the Prime Minister stand up in the middle of America, more people know Bounty Killer than him. So who represent Jamaica more?